Good
Am I
afternoon.
audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. All right. Just introduce yourself.
My name is Priya Goyal. I am 24 years of age. I have completed my BCom LLB from Punjab University, Chandigarh. Currently, I am pursuing my LLM from Rajiv Gandhi National University of Law, Patiala. I really like doing yoga, listening to music, and going on long drives. Becoming a judicial officer has always been my childhood dream.
Okay. So there must be some inspiration how it became your childhood dream.
Yes, sir. Basically, it came from movies. I was fascinated by the facts when they said order, order, and I really liked the uniform of a judge. So I was inspired by that.
Although there's no difference between the uniform of a judge and an advocate as well. तो मतलब ऐसा क्या fascinate किया आपको?
Yes, like the when they sit on the chair and do the hammered thing.
Okay. So
Yes.
is it known as hammer or we call it something else?
So I'm not sure about that.
Okay. All right. Can you tell me your two strengths and two weaknesses?
So my strength is that I am very honest, compassionate, and my weakness is that sometimes I get too indulged in my work that my peers find it difficult to approach me. I can't think of any other weakness right now.
Okay. What qualities do you think a judge should possess? At least one quality that a judge should have.
So a judge should be honest and compassionate.
Okay, that's what your strength is. Okay.
Yes.
Again, so what is your favorite subject? What subject you are comfortable with?
Sir, I like all the subjects, but criminal law is my favorite. Basically, IPC and Indian Evidence Act.
Okay, IPC and Indian Evidence Act. Right.
Yes.
Can you just tell me where is the provision of EFIR given in BNSS? Criminal law.
So
Huh.
yes, sir. It is provided under Section 173 of BNSS.
Okay. Is there any time period that it should be registered mandatorily?
Sir, there is no time period as such, but it should be signed within 72 hours.
Within 72 hours. Okay.
Yes, sir.
How do you think this BNS ensure time-bound trials?
Sir, various timelines have been provided in BNSS.
Okay, so specifically any section can you provide?
So, for instance, the committal proceeding, which was earlier 209, the magistrate could commit it whenever, but now it is time bound. It is 90 days, which can be extended to 180 days for committal to court of session from a magistrate.
Okay. And how does BNSS handle the digital evidence situation?
So the digital evidence situation is also provided quite well. It also provides that forensic evidence of any offense should be gathered within 5 years. Like such provisions have been made.
Can you name the provision?
Sir, I don't remember the exact section number, but they have the provision for collection of forensic evidence.
Okay, they have a collection of forensic evidence. And
Yes.
about what about digital evidence?
So, digital evidence, BSA is quite explicit about digital evidence now.
Okay.
Yes.
Another question related to BSA. What changes does BSA bring to confessions? मतलब confession से regarding कितने क्या changes किए हैं BSA के अंदर जो evidence act
So,
में देखने को नहीं मिले थे हाँ
yes, sir. They have added the word coercion, which was not present earlier in Indian Evidence Act. Also, sir, they have compiled uh, the police custody, the deemed custody section, the exceptions along with it, like the confession to a police officer, confession made in a police station, and then the discovery one.
okay. Are you comfortable with contract act?
Yes, sir.
What do you understand by the term special contracts?
So special contracts, sir, I'm sorry, I cannot recall it at this moment.
How many special contracts do we have?
So I'm not sure, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me something about Section 28 of Indian Contract Act?
Sir, it provides for void agreements. Uh, Section 28 talks about agreement in restraint of proceedings.
Which kind of proceedings?
So legal
Legal
proceedings.
proceedings. Very good. So there was an amendment regarding that. Do you know about it? Recently, there was an amendment in 2023,
Sir, regarding the Arbitration Act,
Mediation Act.
yes, sir. Mediation
Are you,
Act 2023 was made.
yes.
Yes.
Are you aware about it?
No, I'm not aware about it, but I'll read about it. So,
You have read about it. Okay. Can you tell me the basic difference between void agreement and void contract?
sir, there is no such term as void contract, as any agreement which is enforceable by law that becomes a contract. An agreement not enforceable by law is a void agreement.
Okay. So you have heard about mistake of law, mistake of fact.
Yes, yes,
What
sir.
what are the effects of that?
The mistake of fact is excusable, but mistake of law is not excusable.
Okay. So what is the exact effect of mistake of law of Indian law?
Mistake of law of Indian law is like we cannot repudiate the contract. It is a mistake.
So basically, it will be a valid contract, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So what do you know about object unlawful? If the object of the contract is unlawful,
Yes, sir. Then the agreement is void, as if it is unlawful. For example, if I give someone money for murdering someone, then it is an unlawful object.
okay. So there is this situation that in object unlawful, there are
Yes.
six situations given, right? I will give you two situations. One is forbidden by law, and another one is defeating the provisions of law. What
Okay,
is the
sir.
basic difference between the two?
Sorry, sir. Can you spell the terms again?
The term is forbidden by law.
Yes, sir.
Second one is defeating the provisions of law. What
So
is the
forbidden by law is something which is not allowed by law, which is punishable by law, and defeating the provision of law is which violates the law.
all right? So the basic difference is in the prior one, you can say it is punishable by law,
Yes, sir.
right? Okay. If we talk about ignoring the law, right? If two parties made a contract and they ignored some law, right? Would it not defeat the provisions of law?
Sir, ignorance of law is no excuse. However, if it's a foreign law, then it is treated as a mistake of fact.
No, my question is, let's suppose there are two parties and
Yes.
they ignored the law, right? They ignored the Indian law. While making a contract, would it not defeat the provisions of law?
So, the if they it is a mistake on their part, the contract would not be repudiated. The contract is still valid.
Okay, okay. All right. So
Yes.
I guess Nimish sir will continue from here.
प्रिया।
Good afternoon, sir.
हाँ, गुड आफ्टरनून प्रिया। अभी आपने योगा का जिक्र किया स्टार्टिंग में।
हाँ जी, सर.
आप बता सकते हैं इंटरनेशनल योगा डे किस कौन सा डेट है जिसमें इंटरनेशनल योगा डे मनाते हैं हम लोग?
So I'm not sure about the date.
अब डेट याद नहीं है आपको? वो एक इंटरनेशनल इवेंट है। अभी आपने बोला कि आपने मूवीज में ऑर्डर ऑर्डर काफी सुना है,
हाँ जी.
तो कोई स्पेसिफिक मूवीज बता सकते हैं जो लॉ सेंट्रिक हैं या कोर्ट रूम बेस्ड हैं? एनी?
Yes, sir. There are some movies. For example, sir, a Rustam movie which depicts the entire story of KM Nanavati case.
ठीक है, रुस्तम। और
Yes, and so I can't recall any other movie at this moment.
चलिए ठीक है, आपने वहां से बेसिकली मोटिवेशन लिया था। चलिए, मैं आपसे जानना चाह रहा हूं कि क्या आपको लगता है कि जो अभी आपका ड्रेस कोड है वो अप्रोप्रिएट है इंटरव्यू पैनल के सामने आने का?
No, sir. It's just that I just reached Ahmedabad like 5 minutes back, so I couldn't change. And my
चलिए,
interview was scheduled for 3 p.m., so I didn't want the judges to wait.
ओके जी, चलिए ठीक है। यू आर 2024 पास आउट।
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, देन व्हाट इज योर व्यूज ऑन 3 ईयर प्रैक्टिस रूल?
So, according to me, a 3 year practice rule shouldn't have been brought because, sir, it is very challenging for young advocates, especially for first generation advocates, because most of the people, sir, especially girls, usually the degree is already long, and then 3 year period has to be there.
But it
So,
is granted by the law of the all court, Supreme Court,
yes, sir.
and any law made by the Supreme Court is the law of the land,
Yes, sir.
judicial precedent।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो फिर तो आप
Sir, yes, sir. I have to face the rigor of this 3 year rule if I don't clear this examination.
then what is your backup plan if you not selected this time?
Sir, I want to pursue judiciary only, and I'll continue preparing for it. I'll give it once I have completed the desired experience.
ठीक है, आपकी हॉबीज हैं लिसनिंग म्यूजिक।
Yes, sir.
किस तरीके का म्यूजिक सुनना आपको पसंद है?
Sir, I like listening to soulful and emotional music.
इमोशनल म्यूजिक। आप बता सकते हैं नेम एनी इंडियन आर्टिस्ट, कोई म्यूजिशियन जिसको वर्ल्ड वाइड बहुत फेम मिला हो, ग्रैमी अवार्ड हो गया या फिर आपका एकेडमिक अवार्ड हो गया, एकेडमिक
Yes,
अवार्ड,
sir.
हाँ बताइए।
Sir, Arijit Singh was given many awards. In 2025 only, he was given the National Award of India.
आई
I
एम
don't
टॉकिंग
remember.
अबाउट इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड।
So I'm not sure about the international award.
चलिए ठीक है, व्हाट वाज द मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग डिसीजन ऑफ योर लाइफ? अभी तक आपने अपनी लाइफ में कौन सा मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग डिसीजन लिया है?
Sir, nothing specific as of now, but I think choosing this career is the challenging in itself because I didn't know that this 3 year practice rule will come up and I have to face all this. But this is a challenge right now.
चलिए ठीक है, सोच समझ के आंसर दीजिएगा।
हाँ जी।
व्हाट इज योर व्यूज ऑन द यूज ऑफ एआई इन जुडिशरी? आपको इसके बेनिफिट और रिस्क दोनों बताने हैं, यूज ऑफ एआई इन जुडिशरी।
Sir, use of AI in judiciary, sir, basically using technology is good because now the proceedings can be viewed digitally and also the advocates can appear there digitally. However, sir, a Turing test was conducted in which some of the cases were given to the judges and the same number of cases were given to AI and the outcomes were matched. The AI, sir, AI can never replace the actual judges. However, it can be used in a positive way, and maybe in coming years it can be used progressively. But however, they can it can never replace judges.
चलिए ठीक है,
हाँ
आपने
जी।
सोशल मीडिया पे देखा होगा कि कोर्ट की लाइव प्रोसीडिंग स्ट्रीम होती हैं।
Yes,
बता
sir.
सकते हैं कि इंडिया में पहला कौन सा हाई कोर्ट था जिसने लाइव जो प्रोसीडिंग्स हैं उसको इनिशिएट किया था?
Sir, I'm not sure about that.
गुजरात हाई कोर्ट।
Okay, sir.
चलिए, गुजरात हाई कोर्ट के बारे में अगर बात हो रही है तो बताइए गुजरात हाई कोर्ट के करंट चीफ जस्टिस कौन है?
Sir, Honorable Sunita Agarwal ji.
कितनी स्ट्रेंथ सेंशन है गुजरात हाई कोर्ट में जजेस की?
Sir, the sanction strength is 52. However, currently there are 35 judges.
एक हाई कोर्ट जज के अपॉइंटमेंट के लिए क्या क्या एसेंशियल क्वालिफिकेशंस होना जरूरी है?
Sir, the person has to be in 10 years as an advocate or 5 years into judiciary, like the district judiciary.
डिस्ट्रिक्ट जुडिशरी और 10 years एज एन
As an
एडवोकेट
advocate, yes,
इन
sir.
इन लोअर जुडिशरी।
Sir, in lower judiciary, no such experience is required.
नहीं, 10 year का जो प्रैक्टिस है एज एन एडवोकेट वो कहाँ होना जरूरी है? हाई कोर्ट्स में होना चाहिए या सेशन
Sir,
कोर्ट में?
in high courts.
इन हाई कोर्ट्स होना जरूरी है। चलिए ठीक है, हाई कोर्ट जज को अपॉइंट कौन करता है?
So high court judges are appointed by, sir, the collegium system.
बाय द कॉलेजियम सिस्टम
Yes, sir.
और बाय द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया?
Sir, if it's a distinguished jurist, then yes.
नहीं नहीं, डिस्टिंग्विश जजिस तो फिर सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जजेस की बात हो रही है। आप कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं। मैं आपको हाई कोर्ट जजेस का पूछ रहा हूँ। हाई कोर्ट जज का अपॉइंटमेंट बाय द प्रेसिडेंट ऑन द रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ द कॉलेजियम, या फिर अपॉइंटेड बाय द कॉलेजियम ऑन द रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट?
So I'm not sure about that, but I'll read it, sir.
चलिए ठीक है, हाई कोर्ट जज का हमको रिमूव करना है उसकी पोस्ट से।
Yes,
किस
sir.
तरीके से रिमूव करेंगे, कोई प्रोसीजर है?
Yes, sir. It is provided in the Constitution. It is similar to the removal of a Supreme Court judge.
तो क्या क्या ग्राउंड्स होते हैं जब हम एक सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जज को रिमूव करते हैं?
Sir, they are proved misbehavior and incapacity.
मिसबिहेवियर एंड इनकेपेसिटी।
Yes, sir.
चलिए ठीक है। ओथ कौन दिलाता है हाई कोर्ट जज को?
Sir, High Court judges are given oath by the governor of
गवर्नर।
the. Yes.
बेसिकली कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में ओथ कहाँ डिफाइंड है? कोई स्पेसिफिक कोई शेड्यूल आपको याद आ रहा है?
Sir, it is provided in Schedule 3.
शेड्यूल 3। चलिए
Yes,
ठीक है।
sir.
3 ऐसी डिग्निटरीज हैं जिनकी ओथ शेड्यूल 3 में मेंशन्ड नहीं है, स्पेसिफिकली आर्टिकल में ही मेंशन्ड है। वो 3 डिग्निटरीज बता सकते हैं आप कौन कौन सी हैं?
Sir, first of all, the President of India.
हम्म,
Sir, I'm not sure about the other two, sir.
चलिए ठीक है।
Yes.
आप कोई स्पेसिफिक सब्जेक्ट है जिसमें आप कंफर्टेबल हैं?
Sir, IPC and Indian Evidence Act.
आईपीसी एंड इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट। चलिए ठीक है, आप इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट, हम टेक्निकली साक्ष्य अधिनियम से आपसे पूछते हैं थोड़ा सा।
Yes, sir.
साक्ष्य अधिनियम के बारे में आप सेक्शन नंबर 26 आप स्पेसिफिकली रिकॉल कर पा रहे हैं? सेक्शन 26 ऑफ द साक्ष्य अधिनियम।
Yes, sir. It provides for the dying declaration and
बैंक डिक्लेरेशन। तो
yes.
सेक्शन 26 में मरना जरूरी है क्या?
So, in order to be a dying declaration, yes, sir.
कुछ ऐसा सिचुएशन है कि पर्सन कोर्ट की रीच से बाहर है तब भी सेक्शन 26 अप्लाई हो सकता है?
Yes, sir.
हो सकता है।
Yes, sir. If it's unreasonable for a person to be brought to court.
चलिए, देन व्हाट इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन सेक्शन 26 एंड सेक्शन 27?
Sir, Section 27 is about the entries in books, which
सेक्शन
is.
27, फिर सेक्शन 28?
So I'm not sure.
चलिए ठीक है। साक्ष्य अधिनियम में कोई, या इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट में, या न्याय संहिता में, या आईपीसी में कोई स्पेसिफिक प्रोविजन है जिससे आप, स्पेसिफिक प्रोविजन जिसमें आप कॉन्फिडेंट हैं कि मैं ये अच्छे से कर पाऊंगी अटेम्प्ट?
Sir, I can do most of them, but I am, sir, like 377 in IPC, which is removed in BNS, is a matter of concern. Uh, I think soon an amendment will be brought to bring in the non-consensual part of
चलिए
377.
आप बताइए मुझे,
Yes.
what do you mean by the term criminal conspiracy in a brief way? Brief.
Yes, sir. When two person agree to commit an illegal act or an legal act by illegal means.
Where the term illegal or legal means कहीं defined है सेक्शन 2 में?
Sir, illegal is defined, but I'm not sure about the other one.
Illegal, legally bound to do.
Yes, sir.
It is defined or not?
Yes, sir. They are defined.
आपको याद है मैन और वुमेन कहाँ डिफाइंड है न्याय संहिता में?
Sir, I don't remember the exact section numbers.
लोकल लॉ, स्पेशल लॉ?
So they are also defined, but I don't remember the exact clauses.
How many punishments are defined under section 4 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita?
There are 6 punishments.
Newly added punishment?
Community service.
What do you mean by that in community service?
Sir, it is any service which a person accused of an offense has to go through, for which the person is not paid anything, and it is
Accused or
for
person
the.
convicted?
Sir, the person convicted.
तो there is a huge difference between
Yes. I'm sorry,
accused
sir.
और
Yes.
convicted. हाँ,
Yes.
कंटिन्यू कीजिए, बताइए।
Sir, the convicted person has to go through for the benefit of society, for which no remuneration is paid to the person.
और कम्युनिटी सर्विस का बीएनएसएस में कहाँ जिक्र होता है?
So in
हाँ,
BNSS,
हाँ,
so I'm not sure about that.
चलिए ठीक है। कौन कौन से जुडिशियल ऑफिसर्स कम्युनिटी सर्विस ग्रांट कर सकते हैं?
So it can be granted by judicial magistrate, first class, court of session, and high court.
चलिए ठीक है। लास्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम माय साइड, हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट कूलिंग पीरियड?
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Sir, in cases of divorce, cooling off
डाइवोर्स
period is given by the court so that reconciliation can be brought between the parties.
क्या कुछ टाइम पीरियड आपको याद आ रहा है कूलिंग पीरियड का?
Yes, sir. It is, sir, first of all, one petition has to be presented,
टाइम
and
पीरियड बता दीजिए आपको।
sir, it's 6 to 18 months.
6 to 18 months।
Yes, sir.
और कोई स्पेसिफिक प्रोविजन है हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट में जो कूलिंग पीरियड से डील करता है?
Sir, it's provided in 14, section 14.
सेक्शन 14?
Yes, sir.
आप श्योर हैं कूलिंग पीरियड डिफाइंड इन
Sir,
सेक्शन?
it's provided in 13B also, but section 14 provides for like it cannot be presented in 1 year of marriage.
गुजरात के माइनर लॉज पता है थोड़े से?
Yes, sir. I have read them.
आपने तैयार किए हैं गुजरात के माइनर लॉज?
Sir, I haven't read them properly because I read them for mains, but I didn't get much time for the interview.
चलिए, आखिरी सवाल एक माइनर लॉज से। अंडर व्हाट सर्कमस्टेंसेस कैन अ कोर्ट फी बी रिफंडेड? किन किन सर्कमस्टेंसेस में कोर्ट फी रिफंड होती है?
Yes, sir. When sir,
सेक्शंस बता दीजिए आप बस, किन किन सेक्शन में मेंशन्ड है?
sir, I don't remember the exact section numbers. But sir, if in the cases of appeal review, it can be refunded.
चलिए ठीक है, ओके,
Yes.
गुड।
Thank you, sir.